Everybody, I thought it might be beneficial to do an unboxing of this item in case you're sitting out there thinking about buying it and you want to see what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like. So I actually went to Buc-ee's and was going to get one of these, and then saw that Amazon had this one, and I decided to take a chance on it on Amazon. So comes in foam paper to protect it. Let me give you a quick glimpse of the packaging. Not a whole lot to it. And then let's see. So they have it taped on the end. Wow, it is really nice. I really wasn't too sure what to expect from it, especially with it being on Amazon. Give you a look at the postcard that it comes with. Hopefully you can see that okay. It's got a leather tie here. And it's got a greetings card from Texas. And then you can get a look at the detail that's on it. Oh, really nice. It's actually better than I expected it would be. Anyway, not a whole lot to show you, but that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.